Break ID number 5522. 2018 Bowman's Best Baseball 1-box break. The next one of these is already down to 10. That's the last one I have of that too. Go. Still manual, Sam. Still working on it, but must have caught it right away. Rick VI with a free spot. Royce Lewis, 5th overall prospect. Devers rookie. Andujar rookie. Luis Robert, insert auto. White Sox. Jeff BR. Luis Urias. Padres, Rick, VI. 2 left in Bowman High Tech 2-box, 2 left in Chronicles. Bryce Harper, insert atomic refractor. Whoop. Torres, rookie, insert. Trevor Larnach, refractor auto. Twins. Rick, VI. Chronicles is gone, and we'll add another one right now. That's 2017. 18 is up there. Albies rookie. Soto rookie insert. Number 1 draft pick, Casey Mize. Brendan McKay is a top prospect. Rays, Michael BL. When did you do that, Garrison? Number 1 prospect, Refractor, Guerrero. Last pack. Number 1 draft pick, Insert, Casey Mize. All right.